If you're thinking the Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't bring much to the table, think again. Here are 21 exclusive upgrades you won't find on the S24 Ultra. Let's dive in. First of all, the design upgrades. The S25 Ultra is switching things up with 6 key design changes. While the S24 Ultra has flat, sharp edges and rounded sides, the S25 Ultra flips the script. It features slightly rounded corners, like the Fold 6, and flat sides, similar to the Pixel 9 series and iPhones. It still has a titanium frame, but this time it's made from a better grade of titanium. It handles heat better and resists scratches like a champ. The dimensions are also tweaked. The S25 Ultra is taller, narrower, and 0.4 millimeters thinner than the S24 Ultra. These tweaks make it feel lighter and more ergonomic. The camera island layout stays the same, but you'll notice fresh camera rings that add a sleek touch. Next, the display enhancements. The S25 Ultra display gets 4 key upgrades. It's slightly bigger at 6.86 inches, compared to 6.79 inches on the S24 Ultra. The bezels, even slimmer. This phone is all about pushing boundaries. It's 400 nits brighter, making outdoor visibility way better. The anti-reflective display is improved with upgraded Gorilla Glass, which not only reduces reflections but also boosts drop and scratch resistance. Next, the camera improvements. Flagships and cameras go hand in hand, and the S25 Ultra has a few tricks up its sleeve. The ultra-wide camera gets a major bump from 12MP to 50MP, along with autofocus for stunning macro shots. This upgrade allows for better night videography and supports 8K video recording, which wasn't possible on the S24 Ultra. Aside from these, the other sensors remain the same. Next, the software exclusives. While many software updates will eventually roll out to the S24 Ultra, the S25 Ultra gets some cool exclusive features. Seamless updates. Background updates install while you're using your phone. Just restart to finish the process. 1 year of Gemini Advanced, worth $240 for free. Satellite connectivity. Send and receive SMS in emergencies or during car crashes. Next, the performance boosts. The S25 Ultra flexes with 2 big performance upgrades. The new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset is a beast, especially for gaming. Higher-end variants get a 33% RAM boost, making the S25 Ultra future-proof for AI-driven apps. Next, the battery and charging. Finally, wireless charging gets a long-awaited upgrade with advanced Qi wireless charging, no built-in magnets though. It's noticeably faster than the S24 Ultra. But now I want to know, which upgrade are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.